This is laughably bad! No. Gloves for safety. Oh, he says, while hitting the TIG button while I'm still sorting the cable out. You know, I read the instruction book. All like 25 pages of it as well. Ugh, if he start. Wow. Nothing to write home about for sure, but didn't take the tungsten for a swim. So, made some coffee. So now I can do things, you know, worse but with more energy. I thought I'd massively overcomplicate things by adding filler rod into the equation. It's my filler rod. Alright, I guess there's only one way to find out, right? This is going to be a disaster. Oh, I feel like I need 3 hands. Oh, there we go, with it up. Yeah, there it is. Didn't take the tungsten for a swim. Immediately welded the tungsten to the workpiece. Brilliant. Did I regrind the tungsten? Did I? I'm not good enough to worry about a 30-degree point and all that. So yeah, well, I can flip a welding mask down like a pro. Oh yeah, I know what I'm doing. Oh, that lit up alright. Okay. Alright, that was definitely better than the first time. That is the bead I just ran, and you know what? For a rank noob, I'm kind of happy with that. So in terms of overcomplicating things for myself, now I'm going to attempt to weld something to something else. Full disclosure, the sum total of the TIG you've seen so far on this terrible video is the sum total of my experience TIG welding. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So here we go. I don't even know how to hold the freaking torch. Let's see if we can get it tacked anyway. Oh, that didn't melt anything. I'm going to try and tack it on the corner this time. Try with my left hand. Stop pushing the button. Yeah. I am freaking terrible at this. Failing at melting stuff. I'm not going to show you that tack. All I did is just blew through the corner. And I was like, well, in for a penny and for a pound, we'll just keep going until eventually something melts together. Which it did! It's so bad, but, oh yeah, it stands up on its own. You know, I'm gonna go for some filler. We're gonna go for some filler here. We're gonna overcomplicate the crap out of stuff. I don't even know how to get into this. I haven't got a clue. I need to hold this differently, maybe. No, no. Oh God, my helmet. Bend this rod out of the way so I'm not taking. Oh, look at that! That's so good! Oh, I'd put the light on for you. There you go. I did manage to weld a little bit of it, like this bit here. Whoops, hold on. This bit here. This bit here is welded. I feel like it could be worse. I don't know, it could be better. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but it's in a pretty bad way, so I'm gonna give that a... Oh, it's much further away than it looks. Give that a little blast on this. It's supposed to be 30 degrees, but the, oh gosh, it's out of focus, hold on. Oh gosh! So now, we're going to get back to some TIG, self-taught TIG, because self-taught is clearly the best way to learn a complicated welding project. Okay, it's straight, and add some filler rod, because that went kind of well last time. I'm beating up my filler rod. So this is the first one I ran. Got loads of heat soak. That was without filler rod here. You can't even see sort of it's quite difficult to pick up on camera. This is the one around with some filler rod, and this is where it all started to get a bit out of shape, and I think it was due to the fact that the area, the weld area, was just absolutely heat soaked to hell. So I went over to this section to lay another bead with filler rod. So I think this was, it was too hot. Everything was too hot because my filler rod was melting before I got it into the puddle. You're supposed to kind of melt it on like the edge of the puddle, like boop, 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 like that, you know what I mean? But I was getting it in there and it was just balling up straight away. So yeah, you know, I don't know, it's all part of the learning process and sort of figuring things out as I go, but I'm having fun. And like I said, I will do my best to get you in here with me when I just pick up a cheapy welding mask and make a little rig for the camera. I mean, of course, if you want to see more of this, you want to see more of an idiot fumbling with a TIG torch, then yeah. Okay, I felt like that was better. There it is. But as you can see, I'm not going to touch it because it's super hot. I have stacked some dimes, and you know, like I definitely think that after whatever we've been here for, like maybe 15 minutes, I am ready for Instagram. That is some good coffee. Thanks for the sharpen after all that mess, jeez. Thanks for watching.